is theirs. So what we would recommend is for you always have a shower filter, all right? And this is the Water Guy shower filter, not your typical filter, not the average, not a cookie cutter filter that is only gonna take care of this right here. We are not only gonna take care of the hard water, all right? We don't wanna just get rid of the calcium, magnesium. We don't wanna just get rid of that. We wanna get rid of the heavy metals, the arsenic, the barium, the things that Jimmy Neutron might have inside of his laboratory, all right? We wanna get rid of all that. So what you wanna do is get yourself a filter like this. It'll be less than your next favorite video game. And it'll be a lot more beneficial to you at the same time. So you want to make sure that your filter has the Water Guy symbol on it right here. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how easy, how simple it is to change your life. Watch this. So let's go ahead and turn this off. We wanted to make sure that this shower filter was really easy, as simple as it can be to install. My daughters can do it. I have 4 daughters, and I finally just got my boy. But one of my daughters had a really bad case of eczema, and we couldn't find any solution for the problem. I tried everything. I did everything that I can do. I tried to get all the skin creams. I even tried to get CBD cream. Nothing worked. You know, the shea butters, the aloe vera oils, nothing worked. And it was really frustrating. It was a really hard time for me, but really for her. She was crying every day, scratching her skin, bleeding. So anybody that has eczema, you want to make sure that you have a working shower filter, all right? And again, we wanted to make sure that it was so easy, so simple to install that anybody can do it, any age, any size. I'm not the tallest guy, but even I can do this. I don't have any tools. Hey, I don't have the tools, but we'll go ahead and install this real quick. It takes like 2 minutes. So all you have to do is grab the shower filter, just like this. And we already have some tape here. If you don't have any tape right here, go ahead and just round about in a circular motion, just to make sure that everything is nice and tight, all right? Then you go ahead and just screw this in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.